This is the Doubletake Enduro mirrors. It's the ram ball mount that'll fit with the Beta handlebars. These are the Enduro mirrors. They are really strong. Actually, I'll show you guys these next to the Adventure mirrors side by side. So these are the Adventure mirrors on a longer arm because they're on a GS. Obviously, the different mount too because again it's an adventure bike, not a dual sport. But you can get an idea here of the Enduro mirror surface areas versus the Adventure mirror. So not that much different in surface area really, but these are obviously a lot more narrow, and as far as length goes, that's how much longer they are down to the joint there. Ignore this because this isn't like a Beta right now, but it is. I'm just doing some highway dirt bike mount here, but I have my Beta mirrors taken off. They're really easy to do. Where are they? They are just they are reverse threaded on the left side and standard threaded on the right side. Goes right in, tighten this piece down and you're off. Pretty simple to remove, took a little bit of elbow grease. So for installing, you'll see that Ram actually, or Doubletake, includes this cross bracket here. So the left-hand side of the Beta is reverse, counterclockwise when you're screwing it in, and Ram ball doesn't make counterclockwise balls. So Doubletake includes this. On the right side, you can turn it in just normally, right to left. But on this side, you screw this all the way down, left to right, and then screw the Ram ball into that, and you're good. So good progress. Took me a second to find this little piece. I couldn't find this piece, and I'm like, why isn't this working? I kept looking at the threads and make sure they line up, and I realized, oh, this goes the opposite direction, and these threads do not. So now that we have that installed, we can install our short ram mounts. We put the springy side down like that. Cool, just like that. Then we're going to stick our mirror in and just turn this little doohickey and we're done. Now you can pretty much do this any way you please. I would say that this can do a little bit better of a job of, I might get some shorter, I've got some little shorter mounts than this, shorties as I like to call them. This may not be for everyone, this setup, but I think it looks pretty darn good. Installation's easy. Let's look at it from the other side of the bike. Again, sorry there's no front there, but that's the front of it. Not bad. Painless install. So thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful for you guys as far as deciding if you like these or not.